Okay, hi. Hopefully this will be the last video of this subtopic. Okay, when benzene ring now become as substituent. Okay, so the first thing that you have to know is when benzene ring is a substituent, it called phenyl. It's not benzene anymore, it's called phenyl. Okay, there are two conditions or two situations when benzene will become substituents. The first one is when the benzene is attached to a carbon chain containing functional group, other functional group. For example, here, okay, we have this benzene attached to this carbon chain that contain another functional group. Carbon chain that contain another functional group. Okay, this is carbon-carbon double bond. So this chain now will be the parent. So this chain has 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon. That is butene. Why butene? Because carbon-carbon double bond is alkene, right? So butene with 4 carbon. So 2 butene is because the position of carbon-carbon double bond is at in between carbon 2 and 3. So 2 butene. And now the benzene here will be the substituent and we call it as phenyl, and it is located at carbon number 1. So that will be 1-phenyl 2-butene. So remember once again, when the number, okay, we want to separate the number and the words or the letter. So use this hyphen symbol. Alright, same as here. Okay, alright, so another example here, we have benzene attached to this carbon chain that containing another functional group. So this chain with functional group will be the parent now. We have hydroxyl group here attached to 2 carbon, and that will be ethanol. Okay, so this carbon numbered as carbon 1 and 2. So this carbon will be 1 because this is the closest one to the hydroxyl group, 1, 2. So now this will be the phenyl group because now it is a substituent. So that is 2-phenyl ethanol. Okay, I just want to show you another example. I'm sorry about this. Okay, so second condition when benzene become substituent is when it is attached to the chain containing 6 or more carbon atoms. We already know that benzene, okay, it's like this. It has 1 hydrogen at each of the carbon. So this is basically C6H6. This is benzene. So when this benzene attached to a chain that has 6 or more carbon atoms, so that's why the carbon atom or the chain, the carbon chain, okay, will be the parent here, okay, because it has more number than the number of carbon in the benzene itself. We have 7 carbon here. So 7 carbon with all single bond, it's called heptane. So this carbon is carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. The phenyl now, okay, because it is substituent now, attached to carbon 2. So that will be 2-phenyl heptane. Okay. So as you can read here, phenyl can be written as C6H5 because here we know that the benzene itself is C6H6. However, when we have, I just draw once again the benzene here. Just want to show you. Okay, here when we have this is the benzene, but now when one of the hydrogen is lost and is attached to the parent, new parent, so this will become substituent. So this substituent here is C6H5, right? Because we already lost one of the hydrogen and is substituted with other carbon chain. Okay, so this is phenyl. Okay, and lastly, I just want to show you the benzyl group. Just now we talk about the phenyl group, which is phenyl is when benzene is become substituent. It is attached to other carbon chain. The benzyl group here, so this is phenyl. Okay, when benzene becomes substituent and attached to another carbon chain as the new parent. So this is phenyl group. However, benzyl group is a little bit different because benzyl group is when the benzene is attached to another CH2 before it is attached to the parent. Okay, before it is attached to the parent. So this is benzyl. Phenyl, okay, the benzene attached directly to the parent. Benzyl, we have extra CH2 attached to the benzene before it is attached to the parent. So this is benzyl. We have extra CH2 here before it is attached to the parent. Okay, so this is an example for benzyl group. So we call it here benzyl bromide. Okay, because we have the benzyl group here attached to the bromine, benzyl bromide. Benzyl alcohol, because we have this benzyl group here. It's a little bit different from the phenyl. So this is phenyl, okay, phenyl, benzene becomes substituent and attached directly to the parent. Benzyl group, we have extra CH2 here before it is attached to the parent. This is benzyl group. Okay, this is benzyl group. Okay, so hopefully you can do a few exercises in the notes, in the lecture notes. Okay, try to do the exercise, and inshallah we will discuss in the lecture. Okay. Bye.